Motorcade. Damn, ain't that something?
On the move through Lima, Ohio.
All right, guys, more military. Oh yeah, pulling in. Oh man, this ain't the normal. Wow, okay, a lot of stuff on that one. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. So it is 11 o'clock at night, and as you can see, your reserve base is doing something. Dude's out. There's another one. Another Hummer. There's a dude at that door. What are they doing? Why are they out here at 11 o'clock? More dudes. Sorry about that. There's that thing I filmed the other day. I said that's more than the normal truck. That clip's it. You would have already seen that clip by now. But it was that thing right there. More dudes right here. I just don't get why they're doing this. Turn the motherfucking lights on. Oh, he got him now. There we go. They pissy. Alright. I quit watching them. I'm gonna get back to it. I just figured I'd show you guys this because, like I said, it's 11 o'clock at night. Seems a little weird that they're dropping trailers off. I mean, I guess they could have had any sort of event, whatever, but 11 o'clock, man. Alright, y'all. Phil James, much love, God bless, and I'm out. Peace. And here more come. 11 o'clock, like I said. Look at that. They're booking. What are they doing? $11 at night. Kind of weird. Whatever, though. Oh, yeah. Here we go with them boys. Right over my house as usual. Got the Chinooks. The shit hooks. Listen to those tandem rotors. Damn, they're low, boy. With a nice geoengineered sky to go with it. Got them Chinooks, them shit hooks. Got the Ospreys. Oh man, he's booking it, y'all. Sorry about the shakiness. Got that Osprey. Where's my camera? There he is.
Master Sergeant Dominic Marti, currently in charge of standardization and evaluation for the Security Forces Squadron. We're doing a joint exercise at Camp James A. Garfield in Ravenna, Ohio with CE. We started from scratch. We're building our own bare base. CE's helping us out with tents and heaters and generators. The security forces guys will be maintaining security for 24 hours. And definitely the first challenge will be the 24-hour ops. Coming out here, as you know, Ohio, the weather, 70 degrees today. We're supposed to get to 39 tonight, so it's very wet out here, so it's going to challenge them physically, but mentally also. As we move forward with new warfare, it's going to be more joint operations, and we're going to be deploying with these members, not only our own, so we have to get accustomed to working with them and seeing their capabilities along with ours. Build not only agile combat defenders, but agile combat airmen.
What is up, y'all? Phil James coming back to you. So this is going to be pretty quick. Yeah, that's not what I was trying to do. It's Thursday, April 28th. All right, there we go. Back to it. John Glenn International Airport gets a visit from the largest aircraft in the U.S. Air Force fleet. So check this out, y'all. This just landed in Columbus, Ohio the other day. 52 Humvees were loaded into the U.S. Air Force C-5M Super Galaxy at John Glenn Columbus International Airport. The Super Galaxy is the largest military transport vehicle in the U.S. fleet. 52 Humvees, guys. Okay, that's a lot of Humvees to be loading onto a plane, just saying. 52. Wow, that's going slow. All right, we'll go up on that. And here's the Super Galaxy. $52 Humvees. That's insane. Massive, dude. Massive. The boys are moving. You guys know it. So keep your eyes on the skies. Keep your eyes to the convoys, the military convoys. You know, this stuff is happening, guys. The movements, the military moves, it's all happening.